morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Daksh, please put your camera on and let's wait for others to join.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, I think nobody wants to join the class. So, are you aware of your date sheet? Do you know when's your French exam, UT2?
No,
No?
ma'am.
Okay, most probably it is on 19th of November. It will be on 19th. And are you aware of the syllabus?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So let's just revise these two chapters. Open up your book to page number 73. Now, when we want to ask what day it is, what do we ask? We ask, quel jour sommes-nous? How do you ask it?
Quel jour sommes-nous?
Yes, that is how we ask it. So, if I ask you today, quel jour sommes-nous? What is your reply? Tell. It is Wednesday today, right? Wednesday
Yes,
in French is called mercredi.
Yes, ma'am.
Mercredi. So how do we say it? We say nous sommes. Quel jour sommes-nous? So look at the question. Look at the question. So we just take up words from here. Sommes-nous becomes sommes-nous is a questioning form. So when we give answer, it becomes nous sommes, right? Nous sommes, then
Yes,
we put the day. What is the day? Mercredi. Nous sommes mercredi aujourd'hui. We are talking about today, so it becomes nous sommes mercredi aujourd'hui. Write it down in your copy. Write it down.
I'm written.
All right. So let's just read out these days. Monday is called lundi. Tuesday, mardi. Mercredi. Thursday is jeudi. And Friday is vendredi. What about Saturday? Turn your page to page number 74.
Saturday is called Samedi.
Samedi. And Sunday is called dimanche. So when you want to say that there are 7 days in a week, this is a very common line that is used. There are 7 days in a week. How do you say? How do you say it, Daksh? Yes, try it out. There is or there are. There is or there are. We use, there is a fixed expression for this. Ilia. That is Ilia. I-L, then Y, and then A. Ilia. So now we want to say there are 7 days. What is 7 in French?
I'm 7.
Yes. What is number
One
7?
minute.
Forgotten? Forgotten all numbers? Seth. S-E-P-T. Seth. Seth. So we say Ilia, Seth, jour. Day. Day you remember? Jour. Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Look at page number 74. It is written under the pink table. The table that is given of days.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it written? Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Now, when we talk about a week, yes? What are you saying?
Shall I highlight this?
You highlight this and you also write it in your copy.
Okay,
Because write it down.
ma'am, written.
When we say il y a 7 jours dans une semaine, une means a week. Une means a, and semaine is week. So it is obvious, we come to know that when they have put une before semaine is what? Feminine gender. These kind of sentences, these articles help us to know what the noun is, whether it's masculine gender or it's feminine gender. So this is how children often ask this thing, ma'am, how will we know the gender of anything? So these are the kind of sentences where you come to know about the gender of any noun. Now, turn back to page number 73. Can you read out the content? Can you read out this chapter? Vansh Raj, please open your camera, beta. Okay, he has left.
7. Quel jour sommes-nous?
Quel jour sommes-nous?
Quel jour sommes-nous? Ma'am, I have to read this, ma'am, translation.
You have to read the content. Écoutez et regardez.
Manuel. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes quel jour? Caroline. Nous sommes jeudi aujourd'hui. Manuel. À demain, nous avons un cours.
Un cours
d'anglais. J'adore l'anglais.
Okay, that's it. Now, what do these 3 lines mean?
Ma'am, it means, ma'am, Manuel is asking that what is the day today?
Yes. Right. Then Caroline
Ma'am,
replies.
Caroline is
What does Caroline reply?
Caroline is replying that ma'am today is Thursday.
Correct. Then after that,
Ma'am, Manuel is saying
Dama. Dama is tomorrow. Tomorrow. Dama is tomorrow. Demain, nous avons un cours d'anglais. Tomorrow we have a class of English. Write it down. Tomorrow we have a class of English. Written better?
yes, ma'am, written.
Okay. Tomorrow we have a class of English. I love English, or I like, I adore English. Now, in this line, when we see nous avons, avons, I'm sure you know, is avoir verb, which means to have. Correct? We have a class. Un cours is a class. D'anglais. What is d'anglais? D'anglais is D here stands for of. And we are talking about a particular subject. We are using anglais here as a proper noun. So that is why we place DE before it. DE stands for of and from. Now, when we place DE before any word that starts from a vowel, what do? We remove that E and put apostrophe. Right? That is why we have written Nous avons un cours d'anglais. Now, in the next line, it is J'adore l'anglais. If it would have been French subject, we would have spoken about French. We would have written J'adore la français. Again, because of this A, we have removed because of this A, anglais, we have removed the last letter from le or la and made it l'anglais. Then the next dialogue. Read out the next one.
And the next one is Anish. Et après demain,
C'est le week-end. Et après demain, c'est le week-end. Now, today in what they are talking about in the content is that it is Thursday, tomorrow it is Friday, and then après demain, day after tomorrow, is the weekend. What is it? It is the weekend. It starts from Saturday. So, and day after tomorrow, it is the weekend. Write it down. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then Caroline says, what does she say? Read out the dialogue.
Caroline is saying, alors, tu vas où les samedis, uh, Isabelle et Manuel vont la piscine.
Okay. Now here, when we talk about any place, in English also, when we say I go to school, I go to the market, I go to a friend's place. We talk wherever, whatever place we go to, we generally put to before it. So in French, when we put it, we have to see to the gender of the place. What place are we talking about? What is the gender of that particular place? Because when we place to in French, it depends on the gender. So she asked, alors, tu vas où le samedi? Tu vas. What is tu vas? You go. You go. Now this ou with accent grave means where. You go where on Saturdays? The translation of this sentence is, where do you go on Saturdays? Write it down. Whenever we place le before any day, it means usually on those days. If I say, see, when they are talking about quel jour sommes-nous, nous sommes jeudi aujourd'hui. They have not placed le before it. That means they are talking about that particular day. Now, if we put le before any day, that means on Saturdays. Suppose I say le dimanche on Sunday, that which means on Sundays. Now she says, where do you go on Saturdays? So for that, we put le before the day. Where do you go on Saturdays?
It means alors, tu vas où les samedis.
Alors is a kind of expression, like so, just a normal, how would you translate it? Wait, the actual, we generally use it
And it's
so.
exclamation.
Yes?
It's a type of exclamation.
Yes, yes, yes. Exclamatory thing. So, then, matlab, it's like that. Whenever we talk casually to our friends, हम भी तो ऐसे बात करते हैं, और, तो, like that. So, it is kind of that. You can write it so, S-O, so. Then, Isabel and Manuel, Isabel et Manuel vont à la piscine. Isabel and Manuel go to the swimming pool. What is piscine? Piscine is swimming pool. Swimming pool is a feminine place. Swimming pool is feminine gender. So that is why we put a la before it. Now, see, swimming pool, we have to take care of four things whenever we talk about a place. Firstly, if a place is a proper noun or a common noun. So, swimming pool is what? Swimming pool is a common noun, right? Suppose I want to say, I go to Delhi. What will I say? Je vais à Delhi. Delhi is what? A proper noun. Good. Daksh, are you back?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So where were we?
Ma'am, we were
Yes, a
on
piscine. Now, when we talk about piscine, we have to take care of four things. Firstly, a place is common noun or a proper noun. Secondly, a place is used as a singular number or a plural number. And thirdly, whether it is masculine or feminine. These three things we have to keep in mind. And the fourth thing that comes in the end is Daksh, are you there? You're having, yes, signals on your side are very poor, beta. Can you listen to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So just make a chart, like make a column in your copy.
Book is
Make a block kind of a thing and make two lines to create two columns, right? Masculine place, feminine place. Masculine, feminine, and one more plural.
can close my video.
Yes, beta, I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, can I show my video?
Beta, type in the chat box. Your voice is cracking. Ilma Khan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what is the time of the class?
I'm sorry, I was late. There was some network problem.
Okay, so put your video on, put your camera on first. Put your camera on.
Ma'am, wait a minute.
Now, Daksh, can you hear me? Beta, can you hear me, Daksh?
I can
Better just type in the chat box. If you can listen to me clearly, I'll start speaking. I'll continue with the content. Daksh, can you type in the chat box, beta, if you can hear me? Okay, Ilma, open up your book to page number 73. We are doing chapter 7, lesson 7.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so we are having for our UT2, the syllabus is chapter 7 and chapter 8. Are you
Yes,
aware
ma'am.
of it? Okay,
8.
so most probably your UT, your French exam will be on 19th of November as of now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the name of the chapter, Ilma?
Quel jour sommes-nous?
What does that mean? What does that mean?
I think
Okay, quel jour sommes-nous means
related
which.
to days.
Yes, it is. Whenever we want to ask what is the day today, we ask quel jour sommes-nous, right?
Okay,
So we just have read this.
okay.
We have just read the content of this chapter. I'll just read it out for you, and then we will continue. Aujourd'hui nous sommes quel jour? That means when Manuel asks, aujourd'hui nous sommes quel jour? What it means, what is the day today? Caroline replies, nous sommes jeudi aujourd'hui. It is Thursday today. Now, nous sommes otherwise means we are. So this sentence does not mean we are Thursday today. The meaning of the sentence changes to it is Thursday today. Then Manuel says, ah, demain nous avons un cours d'anglais. J'adore l'anglais. Manuel says, giving a good expression that tomorrow we have a class of English. I love English. Now, when you have to use of before this subject English, what they have placed? They have placed the word de. And when they have to use the before it, huh? Yes, when they have to use this article the, they have placed
Yes, ma'am.
le before it. But because anglais starts from a vowel, that is a. So what is the rule? We cut, we add this thing, we remove e from the and le and put apostrophe instead of it, right? In place of it, sorry.
Okay.
Then
Okay, ma'am.
Anish says, a après demain, c'est le weekend, and day after tomorrow. Today is Thursday when they're talking all this. Tomorrow is their English class, and from Saturday, the weekend begins.
Okay.
Et après demain, c'est le weekend. Caroline says, alors, tu vas où le samedi? Tu vas où means where do you go? Now, when we have placed le before the name of a day, that is samedi. Samedi is what? Saturday. We have placed le before it. So that means on Saturdays. The meaning changes. It means where do you go on Saturdays? Like everyone has a routine to follow. So generally, what do you do on Saturdays, on Sundays, like that? So she says, Isabel et
Yes, ma'am.
Manuel want à la piscine. Isabel and Manuel go to the swimming pool. Where do they go? To the swimming pool. Now, we were here, we have to continue from here.
Swimming pool.
Yes, piscine is swimming pool. So Daksh, have you made a column? Just make a column, divide it into 3 parts, make 2 lines in between, and write down masculine place, feminine place, and plural places. Now, whenever we say I go to market, I go to the cinema, I go to the school, what we are using, we are using this preposition to, right? Sometimes the preposition changes to at. He is standing at the shop. He is standing at the mall, like that. And sometimes we also use in. So this preposition depends on the gender of the place. What does this preposition depend on? The gender of the place. Everything in French has got a gender. So we have to take care of what gender we are talking about. Now, when they have spoken about a swimming pool in French, piscine, is feminine gender and it is a common noun. So we use je vais à la piscine. Before feminine places, common noun, we put à la. If we want to use to the, write it down. Feminine places, common noun, write CN for common noun. Feminine common noun, singular. We also have to take care whether the place we are talking about is singular in number or plural in number. So before common noun, feminine, we use à la. Clear? Now, if we have to use I go to, let's say, I go to the club. The next line, the very next line in this chapter is Anish says, Je vais au club de sport, which means I go to the club. Now, club in French is a masculine place. It is also CN, common noun. Club, swimming pool, these places are what? These are all common nouns. And it is a masculine place. So he has used O before it. See, hasn't he used O? AU. AU also means to the. But write it down, children.
Yes, ma'am, writing.
Masculine common nouns take O before them if we have to use to the. Then, A Caroline, Anish says, and Caroline, le samedi, je vais à la piscine, mais ce samedi, nous allons au cinéma. Now, what does this sentence mean? The day samedi, one place it is taking le before it, and at the other place it is taking so before it. So she says, on Saturdays, I go to the swimming pool. May, M-A-I-S, is but, B-U-T, but. Sir Samadi, this Saturday, we are going to the cinema. We are going, now cinema again is a masculine place. What is it? A masculine place. So
Masculine
they have put O before it. Okay, now let's keep this book aside and you have to listen to me. Now when, suppose I want to say, I go to the school. I go to the school. School is what in French? École.
School, école.
École, right? École starts with what? A vowel. École is a common noun and it starts with a vowel.
Yes, ma'am.
So what am I going to do? Just see in the chat box, children. I will say, je vais. It is difficult to put these accents in this thing, the laptop. So I'm just missing out the this thing, accent.
Yes, ma'am.
Just ignore that. Je vais à l'école. What have I done? école is a feminine place, you will think that I should have put ala, right? See, I have written there. It should have taken ala. But what we do, since école is starting with a vowel, we remove that a and put apostrophe. Write down this also. If a place starts with a vowel, it comes like this. If it is a feminine place. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have spoken about places which are common gender. Okay, one more thing we have missed. Suppose I want to say I go to clubs. Now, what is club? Club, here they have just spoken about one club. Now, if my sentence is I go to clubs. Clubs is what? Firstly, it is common noun. Secondly, it is plural. Then what am I going to do? Look at the sentence. Look at the chat box here. Je vais au. This is how it is going to come. O changes to AU changes to AUX in the plural form. Now you remember that rule when we did the plural of nouns. What we did?
Yes.
AU, nouns ending in AU take X in between to become plural. Similarly, this preposition also changes like this. Je vais au club. Clear? Now, if I want to say any other example, children, let me see. Now, if I talk about any country, any place, any city. So for cities, suppose Paris. Paris is considered what? It is a city. It is feminine. So what will I say? All the cities are feminine. Why? Because the word city, la vie lumière, you remember? V in itself is feminine. So all the cities are considered what? Feminine. I want to say I go to Paris. So what will I write? Can you write in the chat box? Is he not from your class?
Atul Yadav, ma'am, I don't know.
Beta, can you put your camera on, Atul Yadav? Okay, you have a look here in the chat box. I want to say I go to Paris. So Paris is what? A proper noun. Now we are talking about a proper noun and a name of a city. So what will I write? Je vais à Paris. Is that clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Now let's get back to the chapter. Children, slowly and gradually, when we move with things like this, we keep learning. Right now, I am not getting any more examples in my mind apart from these. So as we'll move ahead, as we'll get these kind of things, we'll come across, we'll learn more and more. Then, now it comes, let's do this exercise, dit, re, ufo. Ilma, please do the reading.
Okay, ma'am. Manuel a un cours de anglais vendredi.
Manuel a un cours d'anglais vendredi. Is it true? Is it true?
No, ma'am, false.
False. So what is false in French? It's
Faux.
faux. Write it. Faux. Then the next one. Daksh, read the next one.
Demain, ils sont en cours de français. Même it's right. Même it's true.
Demain, ils ont un cours de français. It's true. How is it true? They have not spoken about français at all.
Oh, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am.
It
It's
is
false.
false.
False. 4. Then the next one. Ilma.
Samedi il va à la piscine.
Piscine. Il va à la piscine. Samedi, il va à la piscine. Saturday, he goes to the cinema. He goes to the swimming pool.
Yes, ma'am. True.
Yes.
True.
Ray. Ray. Caroline va à la piscine le dimanche. Caroline goes to swimming pool on Sundays. Is it?
False.
False. Because she goes on Saturday.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Anish va au club de sport.
True. True.
So that is Ray. Yes.
True. Ray.
Now you have to see the table given below. Les jours de la semaine. Les jours means the days of the week. And below these days, what it is written? Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Which means there are. Il y a comes
7
for
days.
there. Yes. Il y a comes for there are and there is. For plural and singular both.